In this video, we will show you the step-by-step method of how to create Outlook Mac Archive OLM file in Outlook 2016. Open Mac System, and then choose Finder from Dock Item menu option below. Then from Applications, open Microsoft Outlook. After that, from the top menu, choose the Tools option. Then click Export button. And choose the items to export, and click Continue. Then choose a folder to save the archive OLM files, and click Save button. Now you can see the exporting process begins. After the exporting process completes successfully, click Finish button. Then navigate to the destination folder in which the files are saved. Then double-click the destination folder to preview the exported archive OLM file. Here you saw the method of how to create Outlook Mac Archive OLM files in Outlook 2016. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video.